With Nubart, your visitors can easily use their own cell phone as an audio guide. No need to download an app. All your visitor needs is a card like this one, with a unique code to access the contents. Your visitor receives a card at the reception area, scans the QR code, and selects a language. And that's it. One click is all it takes to play the audio guide tracks. Our cards can include all kinds of digital content. You can request information from your visitors and consult anonymous usage data from your customer account. Our cards are non-transferable, so they have commercial value and you can sell them. But they are also reusable, so your visitors take the card home to reuse it whenever they want. No more codes that expire after a few hours. Working with unique codes allows us to incorporate complex technology, such as gamification, remote-controlled audio guides, group guidance systems. Ask us for a free folder with samples and try them yourself.